welcome back. My name is RJ.
And I'm Olina.
Today we are making a bagel with cream cheese and our cranberry chutney. And we have no special guests today. So first, open the bagel.
And we need to spread the cream cheese.
Okay.
I'm trying to spread it everywhere. One.
After when you get your 2 bagels full of cream cheese in the inside, take some cranberry chutney. There we go.
There we go. 2.
Last bit of the chutney. There. Yummy. Now we're ready to fold the bagel. Just one side, not all of it. Doesn't that look good? All the cranberry chutney, giving the cream cheese a nice color instead of plain white. So I'll take a bite of it.
You made a mess.
One for the middle. Oh, yummy. Thank you for watching, making us the easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, as I was saying, thank you for watching Stay in there this time. Wait until I talk. As I was saying this time, thank you for watching our easy peasy lemon squeezy video of making the bagel with cream cheese and cranberry chutney. And if you want to order some cranberry chutney, go to www.feedmechutney.com. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.